4.1, first question. Use the figure to name 5 points, a line, 4 rays and 5 line segments. This is the figure. This point is O, this is D, this is E, C and B. You have to name 5 points. So 5 points will be B, C, D, E and O. B part. A line. Line has arrows on both the sides. So this is the line. B, D. BD is the line. C part is 4 rays. Now in rays, one side has an arrow and one side does not. So 4 rays you have to write. First you can start from point O. OB is first ray. OC is second ray. OD is third ray and OE is fourth ray. अब D पे यहाँ arrow है. It means इस line को we can increase also and decrease also in length. So I can put the arrow here also. So OE also becomes a ray. D part, 5 line segments. Line segments will be OC. You will write, you will draw a line segment over it. OB, OE, OE. Next is OD. And the last one is DE. This one. This is also a line segment. You don't have to do question number 6. We are omitting question number 6. Exercise 4.2. First question you have to do in your book itself and you have to do it yourself. The question is very simple. You have to classify open or closed curves. Fine. Second question, again you have to do it yourself in your notebooks. You have to draw 2 curves. One is open and one is closed. Third question, draw any polygon and shade its interior. Again do it yourself. Any polygon you have to draw and you have to shade it with your pencil. Fourth question, a figure is given. Consider the given figure and answer that is it a curve. Now you have to tell that the figure given is a curve or not. Yes, it is a curve. Now how can we say it is a curve or not? Curve hota kya hai? Anything you draw. B, is it closed? Yes, the figure is closed. Fifth question, if possible, each one of the following you have to draw a rough diagram. First one is a closed curve that is not a polygon. You have to draw a closed curve, but it should not be a polygon. So any figure you can draw, like you can draw like this. This is a closed figure, but it is not a polygon because this curve is there. B part, an open curve made entirely of line segments. You have to draw an open curve. Draw like this. It is an open curve made up of line segments. And third one is a polygon with 2 sides. Now it is not possible because polygon has minimum 3 sides, because polygon is a closed figure. So if I am drawing 2 sides, so this figure will remain open. Exercise 4.3. First question, name the angles in the given figure. You can write it in your book only. angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Second question, in the given diagram name the points. Again you can do it in your book. In the interior of the angles, angle DOE. So you have to name the points lying in the interior of the angles. B part में exterior and C part में on angle EOF. It means the points lying on the arms of angle EOF. Again you will do it this question yourself. Exercise 4.4. First question is, you have to draw a triangle ABC, mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? You have to draw a triangle ABC, mark a point P, mark a point Q. P lies in interior, Q lies in exterior. Next part is the point A in its interior or its exterior? Point A neither lies in interior nor exterior. Point A lies on the triangle. Fine. A lies on the triangle. Identify 3 triangles in the figure. This is the figure. This is A, C, D and B. Now 3 triangles are, first is triangle ABC, this the bigger triangle. Second is triangle ADC and third is ADB. These are 3 triangles. B part, write the names of 7 angles. So 7 angles are, how will you write the name? Angle BAC. This is the first one, BAC. Then BAD, this angle, BAD. Third is DAC, this one. Fourth, ABC. Fifth one, ACB. Sixth, ADB, this angle. And seventh, ADC. So these are the 7 angles. C part is, write the names of 6 line segments. Now line segments. First one is AB, AC, फिर BC, BD, DC and AD. These are the line segments. D part, write which 2 triangles have angle B as common. Which 2 triangles have angle B? First triangle is angle ABC. First is triangle ABC and the second triangle having angle B is ABD. ABD. These are the 2 triangles. 0.5 first question. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral PQRS. You have to draw a quadrilateral PQRS. Name it. Draw its diagonals. Diagonals क्या था? You have to join the vertices with each other. So a quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. This is the first one and this is the second one. So there are 2 diagonals. First diagonal is PR and the second is QS. Is the meeting point of the diagonal in the interior or exterior? A meeting point of the diagonal is this one. This point lies in the interior of quadrilateral or exterior? Interior. So you have to draw a quadrilateral K, L, M and N. Now A part is two pairs of opposite sides. Pair you have to write. So if I am taking side KL, so which will be the opposite side? NM. So this is the first pair, and second pair will be KN and LM. B part, two pairs of opposite angles. If angle K I am taking, angle K के opposite is angle M. This is the first pair. Second is angle L and angle N. C part, two pairs of adjacent sides. So if I am taking KL, side adjacent to KL can be KN also and LM also. So you can write any side. I have written KN. Second pair is, if I am taking NM, so side adjacent to NM I am taking LM. D part, two pairs of adjacent angles. So if I am taking angle K, so adjacent angle can be L also, N also. And second pair, if I am taking N, so adjacent M. 4.6, first question, from the figure identify. So you have to draw a figure. This is C, center of the circle is O, this point is A, this is B, point P, point Q, D and E. So first part is the center of the circle. Center of the circle is O. B part, B radius you have to see. So O, B, O, A, O, C. Any line segment joining the center with the circle is known as radius. So three are OA, OB and OC. C part, diameter. Diameter is a chord passing through the center. So AC is the diameter. A chord, AC is also a chord, but in the figure ED, they have mentioned ED is the chord. 2 points in the interior. One point is given, point P, and one more point in the interior. The point lying in the circle is point O. A point in the exterior, Q point is lying in the exterior. A sector. Now sector, this part will be the sector of the circle. So this is A, O, B. That is the shaded region, is the sector. And next is segment. This shaded region is the segment, ED. Next question is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Ki in a circle, if A, B is the diameter, so is every diameter a chord? Yes, every diameter is a chord of the circle. Why? Definition of chord is line segment joining 2 points of a circle. So diameter is also a line segment and it is joining 2 points on the circle. So answer is yes. B part. Is every chord of a circle also diameter? No. Because let's say this is a chord CD. but this is not a diameter. Why this is not a diameter? Because it is not passing through the center of the circle. Third question, draw any circle and mark the various points. So this question is same as that of first question. You will do this question yourself. Fourth question, say true or false. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. That two diameters of a circle, if this is a circle, this is the first diameter AB and this is the second diameter CD, they will necessarily intersect. Answer is yes. Why? Because diameter will always pass through the center of the circle, so it means they will always intersect at the center. B part, the center of a circle is always in its interior. True. The center of the circle will always lies in the interior of the circle. So answer is